By the end of the summer, the sun has ripened the grain. Wherever you look, the cornfields are a rich golden yellow colour. It's time for the harvest work to start. That big machine is called a combine harvester. It cuts the corn and separates the grains from the stalks. The grains drop into the large box at the back of the machine called the grain tank. When the tank's full, the farmer pulls the lever and the grain pours out of a long spout into a trailer which comes along to collect it. The machine drops the straw it cuts off from the grains back onto the field, and when the grain's dry, it's taken to a mill and ground into flour. When the flour's been properly ground and is ready to be used for cooking, it's poured into bags and sent away to the shops.